Today, let's talk about this small blue component on the PCB. Many people think this is a crystal, but actually, this is a ceramic resonator. A ceramic resonator is used to generate a clock signal for a microcontroller. This clock signal controls the speed and timing of the entire circuit. Unlike a crystal, a ceramic resonator usually has 3 pins. The 2 side pins connect to the oscillator pins of the microcontroller, and the middle pin is connected to ground. One big advantage of a ceramic resonator is that it already has internal capacitors. So, we don't need to add external capacitors like we do with a crystal. This makes the circuit simpler and cheaper. Ceramic resonators are slightly less accurate than crystals, but they are faster to start and very reliable for most applications. That's why they are commonly used in control boards, home appliances, and embedded systems.